Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I figured I'd try and upgrade my GoPro Hero 12 with the new magnetic mount that comes on the 13. Don't know if it'll work, thought it was worth a try, so let's give it a go. Tools I think I need are a T5, I don't know if you can see that, a T5 bit to remove the old ones. But first, let's see what's inside the new packets. Oh, that's a bonus. It comes with its own driver. Great. This looks like some screws and the actual mount itself. So on first glance, it looks like it should fit. Let's take the old one off and see what happens. Lift the tabs up. It was easy as that to remove the old. Take the new magnetics. I mean, it sits in well. Let's use the replacement screws. Drop that in. Tighten it down. So that's on. Have a look inside this one. And there is the magnetic mount. So it's on. Final test. Will it work? That's it. It's not going anywhere. They tell you it's not compatible, but it is. So if you want to upgrade yours, get on the website and order one. Thanks for watching.